using.
You've been using, that's nice, that's nice, that's nice. Okay, so you've been using a computer, so which means if you look on a computer, you know where space key is, you know where maybe enter key is, you know where shift on the keyboard, you know the keyboard, you know the monitor, you know the mouse, you know the touchpad. You should be knowing all. I believe you are knowing, you know them. So what we're going to do is now is I'm going to share my screen, and then we look at a browser. Okay, so what you're going to do, check on your computer. One person should check on the computer and try to look for either Google Chrome or Firefox Mozilla. It's a web browser. Google Chrome or Firefox Mozilla. Mozilla Firefox. Someone to type there and check it. So when you check on it, you should. Okay, look for.
Make two screens for now. As you wait.
Firefox. Or
have the Chrome.
Okay, you have Chrome. Okay, that's nice. So now if you have the Chrome, just open it. Open it. Open it. That's nice. Open it and then come and click. Once you've opened it, you can tell me.
Okay. Yeah, it's open. Open.
Okay, so I want you to come and once it's open, you come and type the Scratch. Hope you can see my screen. Scratch 3.0 download.
Wait.
Good morning.
Scratch 3.0 download.
Hello.
Then you click enter. After that, you type enter.
No.
Hello.
After typing that, you come and click on enter.
Hello.
Yes?
What if I'm using a phone right now?
A phone may not work. But if you're using a computer, it's better. Because we need to download some software and then install it.
Doesn't that software have a part Android?
No, if you're using a tab, but a phone currently, no. It's only it's for a computer and a tab, Android.
Okay. Let me first get to a computer right now.
Oh, okay, then it's okay. We'll be waiting.
Which one? That one. That two.
Pardon?
There are many, but see, I don't know which one to choose.
Okay, do you see the first option which says Scratch offline, like this? Offline editor?
Yes.
This one, yeah, click on that one.
Yes.
Click on that one.
Yes.
Pick that. Okay, mine is loading. Hope yours is loading too.
What have we done?
Okay, this is what I want. Just want to put them on side by side so you see it is this one. Eh?
Mm. Scratch now. What happened? Daddy, you are talking.
Download the Scratch app.
Please wait. Yeah. Now they're supposed to be left. Okay, let me see how I used to do. Yeah.
Sorry, I'd muted. I'm sorry, I'd muted. I didn't know that. I'd forgotten. But kindly do this. Kindly move down. You're going to see where there's direct download here where my cursor is. You direct download and click on it, and then should be able to download. Click on it, it should be able to download. Is that clear? It's very small, it can download faster. You click on direct download and then you shall be able to use it.
Ours is 50.
50 what?
It is 67%.
Oh yeah, it's about to finish. That's nice. That's nice. It's about finished. So let's wait for that. Jado, yes, you've joined in. Just wait for this, and then we shall continue with what we're supposed to learn.
Yes, it is. Yes.
When I click here, I'll say we've done to ready.
Okay. Okay, so let's continue. Is it done downloading? Is it done downloading? Popatia, kindly join your class.
56.
Pardon?
It's still
96%.
Oh, okay, let's wait. Okay. It's at 96.
96
That's nice.
MBs.
96 MBs. Okay, that's nice. It's downloading. Okay, so as downloading. So let me just try to once it's done downloading, kindly tell me, then I can show you what we're supposed to be doing.
119. 119.
Out of 150.
Out of 150. Yes.
Yes, you're about to finish. It's about to get done. So I can stop sharing my screen and then you just be able to follow. Yes, I think Jada, I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing your name wrongly. Kindly put on your video and be able to be able to log. Yesterday, for you were able to use the login that online account. Then for them it's ready. It's almost done downloading. Then we can continue.
Pardon?
Kindly log in your account, the one who opened yesterday, and then we shall this one as they are trying. It's getting done. It's downloading. Once done, we can continue. Is that okay? Can you do that? Okay, so So as that's downloading, I'm going to share my screen, my Scratch interface. I'm going to share my Scratch interface.
We're done.
You're done, okay. If you're done, go and look for it in downloads and click on it and tell me what happens. I'll be guiding you through.
Please select whether you wish to make this software available to all users or just yourself.
Click all users. Click all users.
And install.
Yes.
Should I share my usage data with the Scratch team?
For now, there should be an option which says not or skip. If it's a skip, click on skip.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's not there.
Which option is there?
How about do not share my user?
Yeah,
do not share my user.
Yeah, click do not share. What next?
Oh, yes. We have it now.
Okay, yes, sir. If you have it, open it and then we start. Open it and then we can start.
And this. Continue.
Open it and then we start.
It's open. It's open.
You have like what I have?
Yes.
That's nice. That's nice. Okay, so we are going to start. So just follow instructions, and then we'll be able to learn. So I'm going to take us through. So yes, I need to introduce myself. I'm Brenda Tugume. And I work with Code Academy Uganda. I work with Code Academy Uganda as operations manager, trainer, and I'm a software developer. Yes, so so we are going to be ready. Okay, so what we're going to do is let's pay attention and then we continue with the class. I think everyone is expectant, like the way I'm expectant to learn and be able to do a lot. So I'm going to be explaining as we are doing work. You get it? I'm going to be explaining as we are doing work so that we can be able to do something today. Yes. The good thing, we all have the interface open. So just try to follow up. I think I have a new student. I think Pros is joining in. Okay, she's joining in, but that's okay. She remain in this class. So, okay, so this is a Scratch. It's called Scratch interface. It's a Scratch interface. It's a visual programming interface. It's called a visual programming interface. Visual programming interface. Yes, I'm seeing some other people are writing, so let me just go in the chat and send that definition in the chat so that you can write the right things. A Scratch is a visual programming interface. It's a visual programming interface. You're going to understand what visual means. You can check in the chat if you're writing especially, and it could be good that you write. I've sent in the chat, you can say like to everyone, Scratch is a visual programming interface. And Scratch can be used to create animations, games, and stories. Scratch can be used to create animations, games, and stories. Scratch can be used to create animations, games, and stories. Okay, Scratch can be used to create animations, games, and stories. Hope you can see that. Yes, okay. Yes, as you're writing, who is Code School? Just leave and come to the main class. Okay, so what we're going to do is, yes, I have a Prosi and I have Code School. Please, who is Code School? You want to know who is Code School? Kindly, Code School, talk to us and we know. Because you could be a robot. We are in the world of technology. We could be you're a robot and we don't know you. So, and then Code School kindly talk to us and Prosi talk to us. I don't want to be with robots in my class. Yes, you can also, the reason you're here in this class, you will be able, if you keep learning this programming, by the end of, after some time, you'll be able to create a robot set. That's why this mine, I can try to go in the lab and then give instruction and create robots. That's why I'm suspecting Code School could be a robot because it's very possible. It's very possible. So please, Code School, talk to us before we continue. I want to be sure. Put on your video. Proceed, put on your video. because we all have our videos on. Proceed, first talk to us. Please, Code School, I want to, I can be able to know how to help you out. You get it? If you keep quiet, I may not know how I can help you out or how we can move together, because we need to really move together so that we can make it easier. Is it clear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Prosy, I think, okay, Prosy, I believe, Prosy, can you tell us about yourself? I want to know if you use Scratch or you have Scratch software on your computer or you don't have, so that I can help you out. You get it? We are here to learn, all of us. I'm giving you 2 minutes to hear from you.
Let me see how we can work on that. Yeah, you're Prosy. You're the one with that student with Prosy. Oh, okay. Let's work on that.
You can't hear me. Oh, sorry, I think some people can't hear me. Okay, let me just first try to send a chat to someone so that they can be able to hear me. Just a minute, the rest, we shall cover what we're supposed to cover. And let me help out some people to be able to hear. Check. Okay, Prosy, can you check on your computer Zoom audio? Check on your Zoom audio and increase the volume. Sometimes to be up, sorry, to be down. Eh? Yeah. Okay, so what we're going to do is, so Ahani, kindly join your class back, join your class, join your class. I hope, Prosy, you can be able to hear me. Or in case of something, just kindly chat and then we can continue. The rest, just a minute, I'm trying to help out someone so that we can move at the same pace. That becomes easy. Okay, so I think we shall continue. We shall continue. So, okay, so I was still explaining what, I think, let me try to see, maybe Code School is also, this Code School could not, maybe may not, may find that they can't hear me. Okay, so let's just go ahead and continue. Just a minute, my PC. Okay, yeah, that's nice now. So I think Code School, okay, let me see, they're talking back to me. Okay. Check out your Zoom. Kindly kindly check out your Zoom audio. Okay, let me try to share something Topper out, then after I can share Scratch again. Just a minute. Hey, what's in the background? Okay. So what we're going to do is I'm going to just first stop sharing my screen, then I can. Okay. So I think so what you're going to do is let him wait for our feedback as we are continuing. So yes, I'll talk about what Scratch is. So this is a Scratch interface. So when I mean visual, please let's put our videos on. Kindly put your video on. Kindly put your video on, because that's why my video is on. I want to monitor and be able to see everyone. It's good when we can all see each other, not assuming like we are robots. You get it? So why I say like Scratch is a visual programming language, because in Scratch you normally drag and drop. I can bring it here. I just move like this. That's why it's called visual. You just need to know, to see, to read the blocks of code. And then you need to think as you're doing so. You don't need to write like some other code or what's called script. But now this is visual. Why it's visual? Because you can see what's there, and then you can just be able to easily drag and drop. So this is the Scratch interface. This is okay. Where my cursor is, it's called the coding area. Where my cursor is now is called the stage. It's called the stage. And these are the different instructions we normally use when we are designing projects, creating stories or animations in Scratch. And these are called blocks of codes. Under each block has instructions. So if you click under each, you're going to find that it has different instructions. So we are going to look through them as we continue. Okay, so what we're going to do is, so now we are going to be learning as we are doing so. So, okay. So in Scratch, we have what we call sprites. We have what we call sprites. Okay. This cat is called sprite. This cat is called sprite. A sprite is any character. You give instructions and it follows the instructions. A sprite is any character. You give instructions and follows instructions. A sprite is any character. You give instructions and follows instructions. So let me write the definition in the chat for those who are writing. I'm typing, okay, as sprite is any character. You give instructions. And its role is to follow. Just trying to type here. To follow the instructions. Okay, so let me just send the definition of this. So checking the chat, the definition of support is a sprite. It's a sprite. A sprite is. It's a sprite. It's a sprite, not sprite. So a sprite is any character. A sprite is any character you give instructions, and its role is to follow. It follows the instructions. It follows the instructions. Okay, so we are going to look at how we are going to be able to do that as we are learning, because I want us to be able to learn as we are learning the different features of the interface as we are doing some great work. So you're going to find this is a sprite. That's why you're going to find this cat. Okay, let me just wait for people to write. Okay, so okay, hope they are done writing. Becky, Ian, and Benjamin, are you done writing? I think other people are writing.
Yes.
Okay, now let's continue. So so we are going to find that this is a sprite. So this is a sprite. That's why it can't do anything until we give it instructions. Until we give it instructions. And the process of us giving it instructions is called coding. It's called coding. It's called coding. Okay, let me send the definition of coding. Coding is giving instructions to a computer or program. Okay, coding is giving all the instructions to a computer. So for example, today what we're going to do is when we give instructions to a sprite, we become coders, or programmers, we become coders. We become coders. We become coders when we are giving instructions to a sprite. Get it out to a computer. So let's go and choose. We have one sprite. Yes. So I want us to go and choose another sprite. So when you click, okay, before you see where my cursor is here down. I think I need to go back. Just try to go back, and then we can choose. Okay, so you see where my cursor is down here. It says choose a sprite. Then here it says I can choose a sprite, I can paint, I can surprise, I can upload. For now, we are going to choose a sprite. Come and click on choose a sprite. Hope you're following. I want you to be doing as I'm doing. Be doing as I am doing. Okay, so when you look, we have very many different sprites. We have very many different sprites here. So I can scroll down and I look at the different sprites. You get it? I can look at many. There are very many. Yes, I want everyone to unmute and tell me the sprite you've seen. Me, I can see dark. Yes, who's telling us? Jado, what do you see? Tell us what you see. I want to be able to know what do you see?
butterfly.
Basketball.
You see a butterfly, I'm seeing Jada, what have you seen? Basketball, that's nice. Okay, that's nice. Yes, people have seen butterfly, that's nice. So we are going to choose, I'm going to choose a sprite. I'm going to choose a sprite called Belinda. Belinda is a person. So which means me as Brenda, I can be a person and you give me instructions. You get it? So you just click on it and it appears on the screen. You see it? Click on it and then click on any of your choice. Me, I have this. Click on any of your choice. So I have Belinda, Barina and Sprite 1. So choose and see. Choose any of your choice.
Have butter.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Okay, that's nice. I hope Jado, you have also. So what you're going to do is, I think let me just check. Okay. Let's just check who else is in my class. Okay, hope code school. Please code school. Code school, code school, code school. Okay, hope code school. You can also you can hear me and you're following. So after that, so we have 2 sprites. Let's go and choose a nice background. So I'll come here. This where my cursor is down. I'm trying to make it up. Up, down after stage, there's a word backdrop. You see the backdrop? You see it says backdrop 1 up here, then there's this down. On your left, right, sorry, on your right corner down. Right corner, backdrop, you click there, then you come and choose backdrop. So backdrop is the same as background. Backdrop is the same as background for us. You get it? So I'm going to get some nice background or backdrop. Are you there?
Oh.
Yes? Yes, Ian? Have you seen you've seen the backdrop?
Where?
Okay, let him just go back and I show you. Go to the right corner down. You see where there's an option of backdrop up below stage. Just it has the same icon, like it's round, it's like the one we had for choose sprite, but it's the next one. When you go next, you see where my cursor is?
Yes.
Yes, click there and then come and click choose backdrop. Yes, I hope you've seen that.
Yes.
Okay, that's nice. Okay, so just a minute, some people are waiting in class. I need to oh. Okay. So 2 other people have just joined us. That's Ranta and we have Isabella. We have Isabella. Isabella Virunji, kindly join the break room. Kindly join the break room. Kindly join the break room. Okay, yes, she has joined the break room. Okay. I think Dranta, he has just left, but you find us, join us. So what you're going to do is I'm going to come and you can choose any of your background. But I want to come and click on fantasy and I choose some background. So you can either, if you want to make your work easy, you can choose this. You can just click on top here, background. For example, if I want music, I can easily get here. So I'll come and click on this one. I'll click on it until it appears. Yes, now that's my stage. You see that? So I have Sprite 1 and I have Ballerina. So choose your background of your choice. You get it? Choose any background of your choice. Okay. So after choosing that, Isabella, let me send you to a class. Okay. So now let's continue. Isabella, kindly join the break room. Kindly join the break room. Okay, so what we're going to do next is, so now we have our sprite. We have 2 sprites and we know what sprites are. We have our stage. So we're going to give instructions to our stage. We're going to give instructions to our stage. Come on, you see where, come and click, you see where my cursor is? See where my cursor is? Come and click on it. Once you click on it, you'll be able to see something here. You'll be able to see here that now the background is here. This is where my cursor is. If you have that, you can tell me. Yes, you see this? Okay, yes, yes, Jata has told me he has seen it. Hope Ian, Becky, and Benjamin, you can see that. You can see that? Okay, that's nice. So we are going to start giving our instructions. We're going to start giving instructions. We are going to first give instructions to our background. We're going to give our first instruction to our background. So we normally get our first instructions under events. We normally get our first instructions under events. So I'll come and click on events. When green flag is clicked, you just drag and drop. You click like this. You bring your cursor where it is. Then you leave it. You pull, 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 pull until you, when reach here, you leave it. You get it? So do that. Once you're done with that, you will tell me. Once you're done with that, you will tell me. Once you're done with that, you will tell me.
Done.
Okay. So hope we are done with that. So let's come to control. We normally get our first instructions under events. We shall be seeing as time goes on. So let's come and click on control. You see where control is? Click on control. And you get this command which says forever. You bring it here. Put it there. Put it there. Okay, after putting it there, we all have it? Do we all have it? Okay. In Scratch we deal with what we call interlocking blocks. Interlocking blocks. We deal with what we call interlocking blocks, which means they have to be connected together. You get it? So for it to work, it has to be connected together. You can't just come and leave it here like this. No, it won't work. They must be connected together. So you bring it here. They should be connected together. So are we done? So after that, let's go to sound. Click on, sorry, not sound, come on looks. Come on looks. Come on looks. Let me just sign someone their class. Come on looks. Come on looks. So when you click on looks, come to change color effect by 10, by 25. Do you see that? Change color effect by 25. Change color effect by 25. Change color effect by 25. Put that inside it. So they have to be connected. Have to put it inside that. They will have to be connected. They have to be connected. Okay, just let's wait. I think, okay, yes, a minute. Let's wait for those of Ian to log in, because I think that they were out. So Ian, hope you can see. Go under looks, the one with purple color. Then come and choose a command, says change color effect by 25. Change color effect by 25. Are you there?
We have missed some what you are talking. We have missed.
Okay, let him try to recap, to do a recap for us. So when you come to looks and come and add in change color effect by 10, you drag it and put inside. You come and put inside like this. Do that. If you have that, then we can continue.
Let's do it. Looks. Change.
Go to looks. Yeah, change color effect by 25.
And go back to yellow. Go back to yellow. It is orange. Control. Forever.
Are you seeing Benja or not?
Hmm?
Are you seeing?
I am.
Okay.
Put this one in the middle of that.
Okay, let's wait for them and Jado, and then we can move together.
We're done.
Okay, that's nice. That's nice. So let's go to control again. And we put a command which says, wait 1 second. You see it? Wait 1 second and put it here. Do that. As you do that, yes, okay. We have Peter Mwanguzi. You've just joined in. Just kindly try to follow. Kindly try to follow with us along. You get it? And then I'll be able to give you some instructions in your chat so that you can download the interface as you're following. Okay, so yes, it's time to test our code. Who is excited like me? I'm more excited to see what happens. You should be excited, isn't it? We want to know what happens. Yes, we are very excited. Yes. So when you look up here, we have a green flag. It says here where my cursor is. It can say go. If you want it to follow instructions, and if you want to stop, you click on the red one. So we are going to, let's all click on the green one and see what happens. I want you to tell him the changes.
The color is changing.
The colors are changing. It's
Yes.
my screen. Since I chose a background, it's like a disco hall.
Yes.
Or if you're going for birthday party, you've organized for you. You get it? So imagine we put there sound. How does it feel? Should we put there some sound? Yes, let's put there some sound. Let's come. You see where sound is? Come sound here. Click on sound. Okay. When you click on sound, you're going to find the option that says play sound pop until done. Play sound pop until done. Okay, if I don't want any of these sounds, please try to follow. If I don't want any of these sounds, you see what on top here after code, we have backdrops and we have sounds. Do you see what sounds is?
Yes.
You click there, where my cursor is. You get something like this. Do you have this? If you have this, you can tell me.
This one sounds.
Okay,
yes.
Okay, we all have this, yes. So you scroll down, you just come on the left corner, down on the left corner, you're going to find there's a circle, it says choose a sound. This is where my cursor is?
Yes.
Yes, click there, choose a sound.
Yes.
Yes. So now we are going to see a lot of sound, different sounds. Mine is loading.
Yeah.
Yes, you've seen the different sounds?
Yes.
Yes, we have categories for animals, effects, loops. So I think now I'll choose in either effects or loops. I'll either choose in effects or loops. Okay, some other people have joined us. Okay, Isaac Muevas has just joined us. So Isaac, kindly try to just follow up. I will help you out like sometime because we're trying to just follow up. But I also share with you the recording after this class. You get it? I'll be able to share with you the recording after this class. So just follow up, and in case you have anything to ask, please feel free to ask. That's Isaac. Okay, everyone, Code School, Jato, everyone feel free to ask in case you want to inquire anything. Okay, so you can choose any. So if I click on effects, choose and click on N and test and see how to have which sound it brings. Okay, I'm seeing, let me go to loops and see, try to check out which one. I have this, I'm seeing dance. Let me test and see. Can you hear mine? You should be able to hear mine. So I can choose that. So it's a really nice, it's nice one for a party. You get it? So I can choose that sound. You get it? I got it under loops. When I went sound, I choose so it can be able to make someone to be engaged. You get it? So after that, when you click on it, it will appear. Hope you've chosen one. Please choose one of your choice. Please choose one of your choice. Choose one of your choice for your. Okay. Then after that, let's come back to code. Come and click on code. Come and click on code. Okay. Okay. What we do like this? If you've chosen sound, unmute yourself and you click on it. We can hear. I want to hear which sound you've chosen.
It's unmuted.
Yes, unmute and you put your sound and here and I want to hear what you have.
Unmute. Unmute, baby.
After unmuting, you click on your sound.
Yes, it's unmute, you see.
Yeah.
Then click on the sound so that I can hear it play.
Can you hear?
Okay, I've heard it, okay? Yes, then
Yes.
Jadol, let's hear your sound. Okay, I've heard it, you can mute, then let me hear Jadol's sound.
But I want only so it's something that
Okay, I've also heard his, okay. Now let's go back to code.
yeah, thank you.
Let's go back to code.
On my head.
So when you go back to code, you come and click, you're going to find that there is an option of the sound you've chosen. So mine I've chosen dance around. Dance around. I'll bring it here. Put it here. Hope you can see that I'm enjoying my music. So if I want it to stop, I come and click on the red button. Please make sure you're enjoying the sound you've chosen. Because there are so many, make sure you're enjoying it. For example, let me test mine. You see, when I put mine, even I dance, eh? Okay. Okay, so now we have that. So we worked on we've given instructions to our background. So I want us to also give instructions to our sprites. I want us to give instructions to our sprites. I want us to give instructions to our sprites. So what we're going to do is, okay, let's come back to our sprites down. Hope you can see where my cursor is. Mine, I'll first give instruction to Barinam. Click on Barinam. So when I click on Barinam, it shows me that I've not yet given Barina instructions. I've not yet given Barina instructions. Click on it and we see. Please, in case you have any question, feel free to ask. We have to enjoy this class, all of us. Yeah, okay. Have you clicked on Barina or any sprite of yours? Choose any sprite and then we click. I want to make also Barina to be able to dance. You get it?
Yes.
You're done. That's beautiful. So what I said, we normally get our first instructions under events. We normally get our first instructions under event. So let's go to events. Let's go to events. Events. Let's choose when green flag is clicked. Yes, we have that. You should be able to do that.
We are done.
That's nice. Okay, that's cool. Yes, you're sharp students. I love you. That's why I just love teaching sharp students like you. You're fast, everything's on point. So let's go to control and we choose forever. Choose forever. Choose forever, like this. After forever, let's go to looks. Let's go to looks. Let's look for next costume. Put it there. Let's look for next costume and put it there.
Next costume. Press. No. Press. Bring. First leave. Bring. We're done.
That's nice. That's nice. Okay. So, okay, I'll explain what next costume does. Next costume, it changes. Pardon?
Yeah.
Okay.
Pardon.
Oh, okay, let me do that. So I hope we have this code, and I want to explain what next costume means. Next costume basically means the sprite change the way it looks. For example, if I'm like this, I'm looking different. If I put on my mask like this, I'm a different person. I have different looks. You get it? If I put like this, I have different looks. You get it? So next costume just shows us the different ways on how that particular sprite can look. Is that clear? And why we use forever, we want it to be able to do it for continuously without stopping until we tell it to stop. That's why we use forever. Is that clear? Yes. Then let's go and do this. Come to control again. Wait and add wait 1 second. Do this. Then add wait 1 second and let's say
wait 1 second. We're done.
Okay, let's click on the green flag and see what happens. Click on the green flag to test your work.
We are done. Next time I'm done making this is a business. Yes. This is the first time we are done.
Yes, hope you were seeing that it was dancing, and then the color of my background was changing the stage. You get it? Okay. So there on my project is that you can be able to dance and can be able to do a lot of things. Is that okay? So yes. I want us now to give instruction to our sprite, the cat. Yes, we're going to give instructions to our sprite, the cat. So let's click on the cat and also give it instructions. Come and click on sprite 1. So when I click on it, it means I've not yet given it instructions. So we are going to give it instructions. We are going to give it instructions. Yeah, so we're going to give it instructions. Okay, so now what we are going to do is we normally get our first instructions under events. Let's go to events. Let's go to events and we get our first instruction. Events, then we come to when green flag is clicked, you drag it and drop it there. So I'm waiting for you.
Done.
Wow, that's beautiful. You're smart students. Wow, that's nice. I love all of you. I wish I could be teaching you only you. So what we're going, let's go to control. You're welcome. Let's go to control. So you're going to tell it to wait after. Okay. You're going to tell it to wait. 2, you click in the middle. You bring your cursor here. You see where my cursor is. You click there and you go on your keyboard. You use backspace like this. And you click 2. Want it to wait for 2 seconds.
Yeah. Yes,
you're done?
Yes.
Oh, you're too sharp. You're brave. You're the best. So what we're going to do is, what we're going to do is, this time around, we want the sprite to be able to talk. We want it to be able to talk. So let's go to looks. Let's go to looks. and get a command which says, say hello. Say hello. Are we there?
Yes. Yeah. Done.
You're going to say hello. Say hello. Barina. So for you, if you chose another sprite, put the name of the sprite you chose. Mine is Barina. That's why I've chosen that. You get it?
Ours is butter.
Okay, if you chose butter, put say hello, butterfly, whatever you chose.
First one.
Okay, yes, yes, John Mary has just joined us now. That's nice, but John Mary, try just follow. At the end of this, I'll be able to share with you the screen, so the recording of, and then you can follow up. You can follow up.
We're done.
So let's go back and choose another command which says, say hello.
Ballerina, say hello. We're done. We're done.
And you're going to type, I'm going to say, I didn't know that Barina, you can dance like that. You can dance. You can dance like that. So for you, instead of putting me, I have Barina, putting the name of your sprite. You can dance like that. So let's test our code and we see what happens. Excited? See what happens? Yes. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to click here, the green flag. Okay. Okay, did you see when Sprite said hello Barina, and then said I didn't know that you could dance like that? Maybe what we are going to do is so that you can see it for longer. I'm going to just add, we're going to add something small. Let's go to control. We are going to control. We are still adding the code on. We're giving the code to the sprite. You come and you tell it to wait here. Wait 2 seconds. Get it? 2 seconds, so that you can easily see it, and then this let this word appear for like 5 seconds. Wait, say okay. While we have say hello Barina for 2 seconds, put 3 seconds. Remove. Come and put 3 seconds. Come and put 3 seconds.
Done. We're done.
Let's go and add it to 5 seconds. I'll come and add here 5 seconds instead of 2. Okay, we have that. So we have for 5 seconds. Let's test our work and we see. Yes, so excited. So please, as you're testing your work, try to observe, try to make sure and see what's on the screen, what's happening. Since you've given, as we are up now, we are coders because we've given instructions. Let's click on the green flag. If you have that.
That butter.
Okay, let me share my screen. Sorry for my network, but sorry for my network. So you should be able to see your you should be able to test your code. After this, everyone's going to share with me their work. Just a minute. After me, I'm going to share with you how we can be able to save our work. Before we learn how to save our work, is it working? Because after this, you're going to share with us and we see if your project is working.
Yes.
Okay, that's nice. I'm expectant to see everyone's project. Okay, so let's come to file. This is where my cursor is. There's file here. There's file. File. Click there. We need to always come, yes. Then when you click on file, you see new. Load, you come to save to your computer. Click on save to your computer. Save to your computer. Okay, so when you click on save to your computer, it brings this. Does it bring something like this?
Yes. Yes.
Click on the desktop. Click on desktop. And click on desktop is this side. Click on desktop and save it. Save it. It should be called Scratch project and click on save. Click save. After that, click on save. So when you save, yes, you'll come and see up here that you'll be showing the name of your project. Mine have called it Scratch project. Are we all saved? Yes. Okay, since we've all saved, that's nice. So I'm going to stop sharing my screen and then you share your screen. Yes, so I'm going to allow everyone to share their screen and show us what you've done. Please, I think let's put Jado, can you put on your video? It's on, okay. I think okay, yes, all our videos are on. That's nice. Who is sharing first? Jado, can you share first? Okay. Those of it, okay. Share first, Benjamin, Ian, Benjamin, and Becky share first. You go down, you just go on your screen, on your Zoom down, you're going to see share screen. You click on share screen. Down on your Zoom, you will see an option of down, you see share screen, and then you click on there, share screen, and you'll be able to share the screen.
We must be seen here.
If we are here, they can also see us.
Yes, we have to see them, they see us. It is also like YouTube.
I don't know how to do that.
Okay, on Zoom, do you see why it says share screen? On your Zoom app, do you see why it says share screen?
Hello?
Yes?
Is this Oliver? I'm saying, for me, why am I seeing a black screen? I'm seeing we are in the class already, studies are going on I'm with my children here, but we cannot see ourselves. It shows me that I have not been assigned in on your side there. It's Peter ceremonies when you sit there, but other children are being seen. The teacher is being seen, but my side is black out.
So what you're going to do, you're going to put on your video. And put my audio. And put on in audio. You get?
The video, how can I put on the video and the video?
Okay. On your screen.
Okay, so what you're going to do is
down.
Please, Benjamin and Ian, have you seen what is share screen?
Okay.
Video.
Yes. Yes. That's nice.
So you will click on start video.
Can we test your work and we see?
I see here, there is video settings.
Just click on the green flag and we see. Yes, wow.
Okay. Click in the settings now.
But I don't hear the sound. Unmute yourself. Unmute. I don't hear the sound. Unmute so that I can hear the sound.
Hello? Yeah, it's roaring. I'm just on it here.
Okay.
Because I've gone into the settings.
Okay, so what you're going to do, that's nice, Benjamin, Ian, and Becky, but I want you to go and choose another sound and add that one. You get it? You can choose a better sound because everything is nice, your stage is nice, but choose another sound that when someone is able to hear, to look at your work, it's just go and change, go on option 4, sound, and choose another sound. What we call what we did. Okay, that's nice. Got you. Okay. So kindly let's allow
Excuse me.
Okay, Jato, kindly share your screen.
Excuse me, there's some part when I went offline and I couldn't save my work.
Oh.
Yeah.
So can you share and see what you have?
Okay.
Share, yeah.
Our side here, we need it.
How do I get to share my screen?
You go to Zoom and look down, just down, you see an option which says like share screen. On that
Where?
Zoom up, down. On the Zoom, down, you should be able to, when you scroll down, you should be able to see that you find like share screen should be in green color. Yes. Okay, I'm seeing Mwangus is sharing.
Yes, but I'm not. My children are not being observed there. I don't know why.
Sorry.
My children are not being seen, and we are here in the class.
How many are they? Sorry about that.
There are 3, but we cannot see. We are seeing others plus you. We are listening, following everything, but we are not.
You can't see me. You can't see yourselves. Eh?
We don't see ourselves.
Let him first cross check and find out if me I can see you. Just a minute, because me I can see. Okay, let me just cross check. I think, yeah, also I can't see you. I can't see you. That's true.
Yeah. That's where I'm getting a challenge. I don't know why.
So can we kindly, after the class, work on that? I hope they have been following.
Yeah, they are following, but not 100% since being disturbed by this whatever. But we are.
Okay, so what we do after this class ends at around, when I tell these people bye, then you could stay behind, then we rectify that.
Okay, let's continue.
Okay, thank you so much.
Can they talk? Can they greet others when you are listening?
Yes, we can. Yeah, they should actually. Actually, they should tell us their names, school and age. You need to know.
So let's begin with Caleb.
Okay.
Good morning.
Good morning.
My name's Caleb Mugaga Mwangs.
Okay.
My school is Divine Junior School.
Where is it found?
It is found at Bukere.
Where?
At Bukere in Mukono.
Oh, Mukono. Wow. Yes.
Another one now should come in.
Yes.
Morning.
Morning.
My name is Aksa Mwanguzi.
Aksa Mwanguzi. Wow. How old are you?
I am 9 years old.
9 years. The same school?
Rimon Junior School.
Rimon?
Yes.
Okay, which class?
P3.
P3, okay. Well, thank you so much, Aksa. It's nice to meet you, but I believe after this we shall be able to work on the video issue. Yes, then another one?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Atrinda Angel.
Angel, okay, that's a nice name, Angel. Yes, Angel.
How old are you?
How old are you?
7.
7 years. Which class?
P2.
P2. Have you been enjoying the class?
Yes.
That's nice. That's nice. Okay, that's beautiful. So after, when the rest have gone, we shall try to, we shall go. I'll help you out. You get it? Then so tomorrow you can come and learn more. That's nice. Thank you so much, Aksam, Caleb, and Angel. That's nice. I'm sorry I didn't know you were there. I thought it was one person. Sorry, but that's why I think maybe I didn't give you attention. But sorry, but yes, now I've known you in class. I will try to engage you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, Jada, can you kindly share your screen? Did you see where a share screen is?
Yes.
Okay, go click that and share your screen and we see what you have.
Has it come on?
Yes, we can see it. Hope the rest can see it. May I can see it?
Even us, we can see it.
That's nice.
Keep pushing.
It has not yet done.
Okay, yeah, but I love your background. It has nice color and the color comes out. You get it? Okay, okay, that's nice. Okay, so just go ahead and finish because you're only remaining with one instruction. So I didn't know that you can dance like that. Is that clear?
Where?
You go to looks. Okay, first add wait 2 seconds. Go to control. Go to control. First go to control, sorry. Go to control.
Yes.
Control. Yes. Add command, wait 2 seconds. Add command, wait 2 seconds.
I'm done.
Yes, and then after, go to looks. And add.
I'm there.
Yes, say hello. Say hello for 2 seconds. Do that. So
I'm done.
Instead of hello, you can type there. I didn't know you could dance like this. Yeah. So that was the code we had. I believe you're enjoying that. You've enjoyed today's class. Okay, as Jato is doing work, I'm going to inquire whether Angel, Caleb, and Axam, where you're able to, whether you have the Scratch interface or you don't have it.
Yes, we have it.
Oh, that's nice. Then I'm sure you should have been following. So since you have it, after Jata, you're going to share your screen and I see what you have at least. Because I can share your screen and I see what you've done. I believe you've been following. That's beautiful. Okay, so I'm going to stop screen sharing for Jada. Then after we see like Angel and rest can share their screen. So want to see what you've done.
You want them to share their screen?
Yes, I want to look at what they have done.
For that course, they have not been, they have been just watching what is going on since they wanted the video side of it.
Oh,
but
okay.
They have the screen, they can share only what is maybe around like that. I don't know whether you see something.
Okay, I can see like an email. Which means that they don't have Scratch interface, the software we are using.
Yeah.
Do they have it?
They don't.
Oh, they don't have it. Okay, after this, I'm going to help you out on how they can download it.
Hey,
okay. Yeah, because at least I want to make sure that they have the software. Okay, thank you so much. So I'm going to share my, yes.
Our battery is running low.
Your battery is running low. Okay, that's those of okay. That's basically that's Becky and Benjamin. Yes, our class actually is about to if you have a charger, if you don't have a charger, but our class is ending. So I'm going to share in the chat. I want to share in the chat that my number in case you want anything or feedback or you want to call me and tell me how the class was. Please feel free to chat to me. I love talking to people. That's why I'm going to go in the chat and share with you my number. You can contact me. You get it?
Yes.
Yes. And then as I'm doing this, I want to let me share my screen first, and then I can share with you what I want you to do. I want to do something simple for those who have Scratch interface. So we are when you come up here, you're going to find there is what we call tutorials here. Tutorials. When you look through these tutorials, they're going to show you some of the how to get started with Scratch. So what I want you to go and do for me tomorrow, you bring for me before as we start, because tomorrow we're also here 10 to 11:30. Go and click on this example which says imagine a world and do it. It has all the instructions. That's clear? Yes. Imagine a world. It's what you go and do for me. Will show me that work tomorrow.
Yes.
Yes, it's very easy. Just go and do that. Then let me just put my number. I think my number in the chat in case you want for anything. Then you could contact me. Oh, just a minute. I think my PC wants to misbehave. Won't allow it. Okay. So because I believe some people are can you type my number? And please, in case you have your friends whom you want to join, please give them my number, or you can let them call me. That's Brenda Tugume. If you came in later, you may not be knowing who is talking. I'm Brenda Tugume, and I work with Code Academy as a trainer. Okay. So that's my number, and that's my name. So from there, I've told you what to do. So I'm going to we're going to do something simple before I think some people, their battery is low. I'll go with them first. Tell him what you've learned. I want to hear from Becky, Benjamin, and Ian first. What have you learned?
I've learned how to code.
How to code? Who is that? Who's talking?
Benjamin.
Benjamin, how to code? Okay. Yes, Becky, what have you learned?
How to code things.
You've learned how to do what?
Code.
How to code, okay, that's nice. Yes, Ian?
I've learned how to control.
You've learned how to use control, that's beautiful. And how at least to add in music, to do that, you've learned a lot, I get it. So so that's it. So then I want to hear from Jada, what have you learned? Jado?
I've learned almost everything you've said.
When you say everything, it's big. So which everything is that? Let's at least specify.
I've learned how to code.
You can add a background.
How to add a background.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, that's nice. Okay. So how will I test that you've learned? Please go and do that work I've given you. Is that clear?
Actually, I didn't see.
Excuse me.
Pardon?
I didn't get the part. Yeah.
Okay, let me share my screen again.
Yes.
So when you go tutorials, Do you see what tutorials is?
No.
Okay, let me just go back afresh.
We can't see the number.
Just a minute.
Excuse
Can you see
me.
my screen?
We can't see the number.
Which number?
Yeah.
The number is in the chat.
The phone number.
I'm going to share again, okay. Okay. So you see my screen? Come on, this is what tutorials is. Click on tutorials. Have you seen it, Jada? Oh, sorry, I think I sent my number to one person, okay? It's 0776 49. Check in the chat, that's the number. So this is the work which says imagine a world. You see it? You go tutorials, you go to imagine a world. When you click on it, it's going to give you instructions. Is that clear? Do that. Is that clear, Jada? Is it clear? Okay, hope you've seen the work. Yes. Okay, then that's nice. Okay. So the rest, yes. So please tomorrow skip time. The class starts at 10 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. We're going to learn a lot, and also we're going to be with all our friends who have been in some other classes and join. You get it? So yes. I'm expecting to see you tomorrow. Keep time. If you have your neighbor, if you have someone, you can tell them, come and learn, come and listen. At least if they can't learn, if they think it's late, tell them, come and see what you can do. Because I believe even that Bill Gates or the Mark Zuckerberg, they also started learning as early as you are learning. So still you're learning, you get it?
Yes.
You can design your own mobile apps. You can design a lot of things, website. You can be online. You can design WhatsApp if you learn these skills. So just go and inform your friends. Also teach your friends what you've learned. The more you teach, the more you become expert. Yes, so bye. So I'll remain with Angel, Aksa, and then Caleb. Then I can help them out. So the rest you can leave. Yes.
For a minute.
Yes.
My screen is not the way yours was.
How is yours? Share your screen and we see then.
That's we are staying to. We need it to appear on the video.
First share and we see.
As in, like, now I'm going, I want to go where you are showing first.
Try to scroll up. Try to scroll up. You see, scroll up here. Scroll, because on your interface you can scroll up. Scroll up. You see tutorials. Have you seen it? Yeah, then that's it.
Yeah.
Okay, see you tomorrow.
Thank you.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, so I'm going to stay, I think, with the Angel, Aksam, and then Caleb. So we are going to go through until at least we have the software installed, and then also to try to work on the problem of Zoom. But before we work on the problem of the Zoom, let's first make sure that we have the software installed. After the software is installed, we can go ahead and see the problem of Zoom. So I'm going to share my screen and you follow the instructions on how to install the software.
Yes.
Okay, just a minute, I think. Okay. So yeah, if you have in any browser, like either Mozilla or Firefox, just go there and click there. Click open the new tab.
We have Google.
Okay, yes, you can use Google. Yeah. So after that, go and type there Scratch. I'm typing. I think I'm typing. You should be able to see mine. Scratch. It says 3.0 download. Type that, and then after you click enter. So I'm waiting for you so that you can see that.
We'll try. It's called Scratch.
Scratch 3.0 and put the word download.
Scratch 3.0. Download.
Yes, then you add, yeah, download. You add the word download.
Yes, we are there. It brings.
Okay, then you click enter.
Yes, I've done that.
So it brings the first option.
A Scratch.
I think just a minute. Yeah, it says Scratch. Yeah, you click on that one. Yeah, I click on the one that says Scratch offline version. You click on it. The first option it brings you.
Okay. We are doing it.
Okay.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, so for example, it's loading. Eh? Mine is also loading. I think also mine is becoming fun, but it's loading.
Yeah, it's loading.
Yeah, let's wait for it to load. Also, mine is loading.
It has brought.
It has brought. So let's scroll down.
It has brought download the Scratch app. Windows.
Just let's scroll down. Just scroll down. When you scroll down, you see it. Where you see, for example, you can see my cursor. It will say direct download. Scroll down. Yes, where it says install Scratch apps for Windows. Click on direct download. When you click on it, you start downloading.
Okay. Yes, we are doing it. Just
Okay.
brought
So
a
as it's
setup.
downloading, yeah, you click yes. Then it will be downloading. So as it's downloading, let's try to see that and we work. work on the Zoom issues. Just a minute.
Network.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, that's nice. So let's I hope it's downloading. So yes, hope it's downloading. So as it's downloading, I want us to hop out and work on the Zoom issues. And yes.
Can
you hear me? Okay. Hey, okay, your phone. Sorry.
Yes, I'm hearing you.
Okay, so I want us to work on
the mama.
Okay, it's well.
The video.
The video issue as trying to, as we are working on the, okay, let me just check out. Let's go to check on your Zoom. Go to video, go to security. Should go to security and check out.
Which part? I have mute, I have stop video, there's participants, we have chat, share screen, record, and reactions. Where should we go?
First click on stop video, and then after you start the video again and we see.
Hello?
Yes?